Hi everyone, this is my new GoPro for my cycling needs, and I'm gonna do a full unboxing and show you what's included. And I've got the bundle package right here. Okay, let's get into it right now. Okay, welcome back. So I'm gonna just start off saying by this is the little bit older version, which is the GoPro Black 8. But the reason why I'm doing unboxing, this is my new camera gear for my cycling. But at the same time, the GoPro Black 8 is gonna be very similar, just like the bundle package on the 9. So some of you guys that are getting 9, this can be useful. Okay, so this is the one that I got. See what you get with the bundle. So you do get the unit, the charger cable, you get 2 batteries, which is very nice. There's like a mini monopod, 32 gigabyte card. This is like the sticky that you put on your car. So you do get this kind of screw handle and memory card along with the pouch. And that's pretty much nice. So look over here, 12 megapixel camera, shooting at the 40K 60, 4K 60, very nice. You do get the slow motion, hyper smooth, time wrap, 1080 live streaming, it's very nice. You get the live burst, super photo HDR, and then you get raw. So that's very nice. Again, this thing comes out, so you do get those clips, which I'm gonna go in it further down. I'm guessing improved 2 microphones here, a touchscreen TV, GPS, and waterproof. So quite a few nice things, just like on a GoPro 9, except from what I know, the GoPro 9 gets the screen at the back and at the front. So the GoPro 9 will give you 2 screens. So now let's go at the pouch over here, and let's show you what I'm talking about here. So I'm going to be filming my Toronto video infrastructure. So this will be my cycling camera. That's why I'm doing unboxing. And here you go, guys. You can have a look here. See? Very, very nice pouch. Does have a fabric around. There's a GoPro logo here. And this nice textured material. It doesn't imitate the leather. It just, it's just a nice texture over here. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. So the first thing, like I said here, there's gonna be a manual. There's a manual right here. Let's get this camera going here a little bit. And then, see here, there's that 32 gigabyte SD card. So that's very nice touch. Okay, and then as we go further, this is gonna be the unit. So I'll start off with the unit here. Very, very nice. So now, like I said, on the GoPro 9, you're gonna have a screen here, color screen at the front, 2 of them. On the 8, you only get 1 at the back. So keep that in mind. Like I said, only 1 at the back. So let's put this aside here and talk about more. So here, like I said, there's one here that I opened. There's another one. You do get 2 batteries, which is very nice. Oh, by the way, before I go any further, I'm gonna link in description Amazon affiliated link where you guys can get this and purchase it. And I get a tiny bit of commission, which will help the channel. So keep that in mind. Now this thing that I had before, this is from my other one, from my older one. So that was not included. So I will put it aside right away. What's included is this charging cable, which is right here. Now, what's new with the GoPro 9? You can charge this unit over here, see? So you can charge it while the battery is inside. So what you guys will do, you're gonna put the battery inside, just like this. And you're gonna attach the cable just over here, and you guys are gonna be able to charge the unit while the battery is inside. So that's something new over there. Again, original GoPro cable. You don't get that charger. You get their USB cable, Okay, so let's go with a couple of more goodies. See, this is a spare. I do have this one, but they do include the one. This is a brand new one. See, that came with the inside. So something very nice. And then adhesive that you put on your car, on your dashboard. So that's something very nice. Like I said, the manuals are here. And this thing is nice. I'm not sure what is this for. I guess for the belts. You know, that's very nice. And okay, now nothing here left. Now, just before I wrap up, okay, there is one more thing, which is this thing here. So you see this clips on right here. So this is the, that's included. Very nice. Again, this is waterproof. And then you have here GoPro logo. So that's very nice. So really nice package over here that I have. What I will do for you guys now, I will include the footage on my cycling trip, one of the cycling clip that I included, which will make this the second part of the video. And that's pretty much that. I hope you guys found this useful. Like, subscribe, and as I said, there's going to be a link in the description where you guys can purchase it, and I get a tiny bit of commission from you guys that want to support the channel. Again, like, subscribe, and take care, and bye-bye. Okay, here we go, gotta slow down. We got the light and a red light camera ahead of us. So okay, so here we are, our stop at the Finch. So Finch is one of those streets that goes east to west. And I'm gonna conclude my trip right here. So this was Don Mills stretch from 401 and Don Mills to Finch and Don Mills. And there you go. We're gonna do U-turn. Like, subscribe, and take care.